Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to log in to WorldRemit account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open a web browser of your choice. Now in the URL box, type in WorldRemit.com and search. Once you end up in the official website of WorldRemit, go ahead and click on the login button appearing at the top right corner. This will then bring up the sign in page, and then from the sign in area you'll need to go ahead and enter your email address and password associated with your WorldRemit account. If you're having trouble remembering your password, click on Forgotten Password, Reset It Here link. Follow through the process and reset your forgotten password for WorldRemit. After filling in the details, click on Continue, and you have now successfully logged in to WorldRemit in a couple of minutes. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.